Good day to you. I'm Dale Truscott, interim priest in charge at St. Richard's during the rector's sabbatical, and this is your eNews for the week of the Festival of the Holy Trinity. Again, if you need to reach me, my cell is published in this eNews, and if you call the office, they can also refer you to me. Jim Christoph is our coordinator for pastoral care, and you may speak with him as well. This is a big weekend at St. Richard's. Bishop Terry White, our pastoral bishop from the Diocese of Kentucky, is making his official visitation this Sunday at the 10:30 Eucharist. At that service, Jim Christoph will be ordained into the transitional diaconate. This is a fairly short-term ordination that will soon be followed by ordination into the priesthood. Bishop White will also confirm several of our youth and an adult as well and will also conduct reaffirmation of faith. Lunch will follow for everyone in the parish hall. Bishop White will have words for us in that setting as well, and a chance to get better acquainted. The lunch is supported by the Lilly Foundation grant for Allison's sabbatical. Coming up on July 30, the Celestial Voices of Barbados will sing a concert at St. Richard's at 4 p.m. Tickets are available on Eventbrite, and that link is provided to you in the bulletins and on our website. Our Adult Sunday School program, Where Are You on Your Spiritual Journey, will continue on June 18th at 9:30 a.m. in the Parish Hall, led by Pat Morgan. So we look forward to a great attendance at the visitation of Bishop White this Sunday, and I hope to see you there.